Hello students. So far as dictation for DSSB, DDA and Rajasthan High Court skill exam is concerned, the speed is the same, but the only difference is of duration. So those who want for the Rajasthan High Court skill, if they want, they can reduce the time. They can set the time of 6 or 7 minutes, whatever they want, and rest can write for the total dictation. Thank you. Please be ready for a dictation of a matter taken from the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha relating to Committee on Government Assurances. 5 seconds. Start. There shall be a committee on government assurances to scrutinize the assurances, promises, undertakings, etc. given by ministers from time to time on the floor of the House, and to report on the extent to which such assurances, promises, undertakings, etc. have been implemented, and wherever implemented, whether such implementation has taken place within the minimum time necessary for the purpose. The committee shall consist of not more than 15 members who shall be nominated by the Speaker, provided that a minister shall not be nominated a member of the committee, and if a member after nomination to the committee is appointed a minister, such member shall cease to be a member of the committee from the date of such appointment. The term of office of members of the committee shall not exceed 1 year. The committee on absence of members from the sittings of the House shall consist of 15 members nominated by the Speaker, and shall hold office for a term not exceeding 1 year. The functions of the committee shall be: 1. To consider all applications from members for leave of absence from the sittings of the House, and power of Speaker to give directions. 2. To examine every case where a member has been absent for a period of 60 days or more without permission from the sittings of the House, and to report whether the absence should be condoned or circumstances of the case justify that the House should declare the seat of the member vacant. The committee shall perform such other functions in respect of attendance of members in the House as may be assigned to it by the Speaker from time to time. Where the committee recommends that leave of absence be granted to a member, or the absence be condoned as the case may be, the pleasure of the House shall be taken by the Speaker in the following terms on a day as soon as may be after the presentation of the report. Where leave of absence is not recommended by the committee in respect of any application, a motion may be moved by any member that the House agrees or agrees with amendment or disagrees with the recommendations of the committee in respect of that application. There shall be a committee on rules to consider matters of procedure and conduct of business in the House and to recommend any amendments or additions to these rules that may be deemed necessary. The Committee on Rules shall be nominated by the Speaker and shall consist of 15 members, including the chairperson of the committee. The Speaker shall be the ex officio chairperson of the committee. The recommendations of the committee shall be laid on the table and within a period of 7 days pleasure of House taken where leave of absence recommended. Any notice given by a member of any amendment to the recommendations of the committee shall stand referred to the committee, who shall consider it and make such changes in their recommendations as the committee may consider fit. The final report of the committee, after taking into consideration the amendments suggested by the members, shall be laid on the table. Thereafter, on the House agreeing to the report on a motion made by a member of the committee, the amendments to the rules as approved by the House shall be promulgated by the Speaker in the bulletin. If notice of such amendment has not been given within 7 days, the recommendations of the committee shall be deemed to have been approved by the House, and on the expiry of the said period, the Speaker shall promulgate in the bulletin the amendments to the rules as recommended by the committee. The amendments to the rules shall come into force on their publication in the bulletin unless otherwise specified. There shall be a committee on the welfare of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The functions of the committee shall be A. To consider the reports submitted by the National Commission for the Scheduled Castes under Article 338 5D of the Constitution, and to report as to the measures that should be taken by the Union Government in respect of matters within the purview of the Union Government, including the administrations of the Union Territories. B. To report on the action taken by the Union Government and the administrations of the Union Territories on the measures proposed by the committee. C. To examine the measures taken by the Union Government to secure due representation of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in services and posts under its control, including appointments in the public sector undertakings, statutory and semi-government bodies, and in the union territories, having regard to the provisions of Article 335 D, to report on the working of the welfare programs for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes in the union territories. Stop.